Greetings to everyone. We are students of PN National Public School, Class 11 Commerce. I am Shivam,
I'm Satish.
and we are going to explain you a beautiful topic: entrepreneurship and financial literacy. And here's are the message of our principal, Madam. Education is not merely the acquiring of a degree; it is an enduring process that should have an effect on your thoughts and actions even after you graduate. Your education can become a leadership training exercise only when you are an active participant in the process of opening your mind to knowledge, experience, and ideas.
Here are some achievements of our school. City Women Icon Award, Best School Award in Gorakhpur, AAA rating, Education Icon of the Year 24, and so on. Let me begin with a fact. Do you know, in India, only 27% of the population are financially literate. It means more than 70% of the population are struggling with their basic money management. And this happens due to lack of financial literacy. And now we need to understand what is financial literacy.
Financial literacy means having the knowledge and skills to manage money effectively. It includes four things: earning, investing, saving, planning. Earn but wisely, invest but smartly, save regularly, and plan but always ahead. Earning wisely means choosing safe and reliable income resource. Investing smartly means putting money in a sector that will give you a good return. And saving regularly means putting money aside for your future needs. And planning ahead means managing money in such a way that will cover both present needs and future goals.
Let's compare India with other countries on the basis of financial literacy. In India, only 22 to 24% to 33% are population are financially literate, and other countries like Denmark, Norway, Sweden have more than 70% rate. It's so a huge gap of 40%.
And here are the consequences of low financial literacy. People may fall into debt trap due to misuse of loans, and many becomes of victims of fraud and scams. And in Indian families are both struggle with weak financial security and low saving rates. And rural entrepreneurs can't grow their business due to lack financial skills.
From knowing money to growing money, financial literacy teaches us to manage money wisely. That's where entrepreneurs comes in. But managing alone is not enough. We also learn how to multiply it. Let's understand what is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is starting a business with new ideas, solving problems, and creating jobs.
The importance of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship boosts our economy. It creates job and increase income generation in our society. And when more people are employed, then less people will migrate to cities. Entrepreneur is a person who sees problem and makes a business to solve it.
Belonging from a rural area myself, I have seen many people struggling with their money, not because they don't earn and save, but because they don't know the actual knowledge of investing. This inspired me to start FinSetu, your partner in money management. FinSetu acts as a bridge that connects people with financial knowledge.
Our mission with FinSetu is clear and simple. We will teach financial literacy to our society in an easy and simple way. People of our society are struggling with investing money and managing money. So we will connect this gap and so people can save, plan, and can feel safe about their future. And also not just earning wisely but avoiding debt traps. And also peoples of our villages will understand FinSetu because we will use local language and will take help of local volunteers.
Let's see how FinSetu helps. FinSetu makes finance simple. We organize workshops in village area, explain in local language, and also provide digital tools like budget calculator and UPI tutorial. We want to make people confident so people can independently finance.
In India, only 27% of population truly understand about money management. And the situation is very worse in our rural areas where most of our population lives. People of rural areas work hard, they even save money, but they don't know where to invest it because they don't have right guidance. Current institutions only focus on transaction, not on education. That's why many people end up in poor decisions in money, scams, fraud, and debt trap. And that's why India needs FinSetu. FinSetu is practical and competitive because India has a huge demand. Most people lack financial literate, and what makes us unique is our focus on education, not just transaction. We will use local, low cheap apps like WhatsApp and other mobile apps to connect with our societies. And our model is scalable. We will start it from village, then we will expand it over all India.
Starting a business is easy, but standing in the market is too tough. That's why we create FinSetu with a different idea. We spread awareness through social medias and local campaign. We make finance fun with case studies, real life examples, and so on. We also spread financial knowledge in colleges. We organize free programs for college students. They learn investing, budgeting, and also how to start their ventures. And before we end our presentation, I just want to say money alone cannot change anybody's life, but financial knowledge surely can. FinSetu aims to build confidence and make people independently in the terms of finance.
Thank you
Thank
from
you.
our side. Thank you for having